Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world.
So if you haven't noticed, I'm wearing the same makeup from my last video, my DANCELINE tryout video. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Right now, I'm about to straighten my hair because I have a dance showcase this weekend. So while I straighten my hair, I'm gonna be trying to watch some study guide videos for my AP test tomorrow. Done with my hair, finally. I'm so tired now. And look what time I finished. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm still getting lit. Dang. I hate it when the roots get curly.
Hey guys, this is my second trip back to the car because I keep forgetting stuff. I just bought some pictures from different dance pictures that they're selling. And look, this is Mims for real. Oh my gosh! Can't wait to hang that up somewhere. And then I got this one. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I love these. Hey guys, so LeVon just brought me something to eat, and I bet he's gonna be salty. But, whoops.
Do I look okay?
Yeah.
I look presentable?
Okay guys, so you look dark, I don't know. So LeVon brought me some McDonald's. We just finished our Ricky dance. It was super fast.
And we are exhausted.
Oh my gosh.
I look like a tomato. Your curls kicking in.
I know.
My lion hair.
One, two, three, four. This is behind the scenes. Oh crap, they're fighting. Oh crap, Carlos starting beef. Okay, Carla don't care. Carlos had enough. Okay, get her, Carla. You got this, Marsh.
Shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
After that class, I had another class I had to dance for, and I'll insert a few clips from rehearsal.
I was supposed to breathe with no hair.
Tell me how I'm supposed to
Breathe with no air. You got the spotlight on you.
Yeah, so I've been feeling distant lately.
Whoa, Marjorie!
So I just finished my last dance and I'm so pooped. I'm at McDonald's right now. I I left real quick to go get my siblings food. They haven't eaten since like lunch and it's like almost 10 o'clock. Hello? With
Sorry, ma'am. Could you repeat that again?
May I have a Big Mac meal?
Do I have lemonade? May I have one McDouble with no onions, please?
That's all. Thank you. Thank you. Let's blast. Yee.
Hey guys, so we're with Levant now and Gray. Back at McDonald's for round 2.
Hi, can I have two chickens and a blueberry slushie, please? A small.
Anyways.
Can I have 1 second?
Hey guys, so Gray's dresser's on fire.
Should I use a pillow?
I'm scared.
Should I use a pillow?
Look, you burning. It's still burning. I think your body
candle.
broken. Oh, you
Yeah,
think?
I blew up the candle. I blew up the candle. Sorry.
What candle?
The candle. Sorry for your pillow, by the way.
My PS4. It's okay. It's what it is. I love how we
Dang.
almost burned up my eyes. Sure.
Oh crap. Let's see what happened. So, I think that was on fire.
We just walked in and we're just chilling.
Happy
Happy birthday!
A piece of Velcro fell into my bag and it got stuck all in my costume. Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday. We're going to eat breakfast for my friend's birthday, Gray's. And yeah, so we're gonna go pick her up.
First thing you'll be N-A-S-A. Get on fire on the beach space.
How does it feel to be 15?
I'm gonna change going now.
Yes.
Thank you.
What's that mouth do? So we just got back from Huddle House. The food was pretty good. Did y'all like y'all's food?
Yes, it was so good. I went to town.
Yeah, my food was okay. I should have got the hash brown. I have to go to rehearsals in a bit, and I'm kind of running late. Hey guys, so I just got back from rehearsals, and now I'm debating whether if I should leave my hair straightened or if I should just like wear it curly to the recital, because like every time I sweat it's gonna get curly again. But at the same time, I took so long to straighten it, so. Oh wow, that's a pretty color. Say hey. Guys, I'm dead. Look. I legit, oh my gosh, I did not know it was that bad. It for real be like that. I legit slipped in a puddle of mud in front of everybody. I did not realize it was that bad. Whew. Okay, ow, 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 ow. Me being exaggerating. Just kidding, but it really hurts. Instead of taking care of this, I should have been doing my makeup, but it's okay. Hey guys, so I got done dancing a while ago, and I don't know, I just feel like I didn't do as good as I wanted to, you know? I mean, I'm dancing next year, but it's just like I had this one shot today. We'll just have to see how it turned out in the video, because I'm nervous. I don't know how I did, honestly. you. Here you go. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time my family's ever gotten me flowers, so this is really sweet.
Hey guys, so it's the next day, and yes, I did sleep with my makeup on, and yes, my skin's gonna be bad for it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want, go check out my other videos on my channel, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye!
Paradise.